Before doing anything, make sure to create a backup of your GTA 5 directory. Just copy the entire game folder and paste it somewhere safe. This way, if anything goes wrong with the mod, you can easily restore your game without issues. Step 2. Download the mod trainer. Head over to Google and search for GTA 5 Mods Trainer. Click on the first website that pops up. You'll find lots of trainers there, but I recommend one of the best, Firah Menu. White heavy checkmark. I've added the direct link in the description. Go ahead and download it from there. Firah Menu is a lightweight and powerful trainer that makes GTA 5 even more fun to play. With this trainer, you can spawn any car instantly, give your character superpowers, change weather and time in the game, unlock lots of hidden features easily. The best part? It's very easy to use. Just press F9, and the full menu appears. Once downloaded, file folder. Unzip the file on your computer. Card index dividers. You'll see just one file. Copy it and paste it into your GTA 5 game directory. Final step, launch and enjoy. Start GTA 5, wait for the game to load, and then press F9. You'll see tons of cool options pop up. That means your trainer is successfully installed. Speech balloon. Drop a comment if you need help or want a video on something specific. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick guides.